gonna share this salad with y'all. It is delicious. Are you having fun?
No.
I had to get her some new jellies. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be lots of spring errands. My kids are at my mom's house today. She's on spring break from school. And so I'm gonna go get lots of fun errands done. I need to do their Easter baskets. I also wanna run to Target and see if they have any cute clothes for me, because sometimes I get so busy shopping for my kids that I forget to buy myself clothes, and I really need some spring and summer sets. And then I also want to run in Kroger and see if I can find some yummy, healthy snacks for the house. I'm on a little bit of a fitness journey, trying to get in enough protein and eat at a calorie deficit. And I have just gained a lot of weight since having Annie Kate, so I want to be really hyper-focused on my health and trying to get some weight off so I can fit in last year's clothes. But until then, we've got to get some new sets. And then I also need to get some stuff for dinner tonight. We're just gonna be bebopping around town, getting lots of fun spring things done. So come along with me. I am probably gonna run by one of my favorite restaurants ever, Zaza, and pick up a salad. They have a Asian ginger salad, I think that's what it's called. And it's like roasted chicken, mandarin oranges, and a bunch of other really yummy stuff. And normally I would get a big pizza to go with that, but today we're just gonna stick with the salad, and I've got my water, I just filled it up. I'm supposed to be drinking 2 40-ounce Stanleys a day, according to my weight. So I've been getting that in for the last 4 days really, really well. I've kind of just now like really locked in. So I'm ready to start eating healthy, start working out all the time, and we've been on a 4-day streak of just nonstop eating within my calorie deficit, getting in enough protein, working out, moving my body. Even with the kids, we go on walks and stuff. So I'm really proud of myself, and I want to keep that going. And Kroger has some of the best snacks, so I want to go there and look at their cheese and their vegetables and their fruits. They always have like a huge selection of all that stuff, so excited to do that. And let's just see where this day takes us. I need to get a car wash. The amount of pollen on this car is insane. Okay, Zaza is packed, but let's go see if we can get a salad. Okay, we have our Asian ginger chicken salad, and I'm gonna show y'all. This is the best salad ever. It's got like romaine, edamame, obviously roasted chicken, those little crispy, crunchy chip things. And then it's got this really yummy sauce. I've made this at home before, I think on a video, and it was really good at home too, but they just do it best. But they were so busy. I really wanted to show y'all what it looked like in there because it's super cute. It's like a 2-story little pizza restaurant, but very busy, and I had a very high anxiety because I don't like filming in public. And it's kind of weird because when I was a kid, I feel like I just did not care. I would just tear through places and not care who was looking. But now I am a little bit more reserved, I would say. I don't want people to look at me, so we just did not film in there. But I am going to share this salad with y'all. It is delicious. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to devour this real quick. Probably won't be able to eat the whole thing because usually Will and I split this, but I'll eat half of it, and then we will get busy with all of our little errands. Found some really cute Easter baskets at Hobby Lobby last year for Annie and Oliver, and I didn't end up getting them, but I regretted it, and they have them again this year. So hopefully this Hobby Lobby on this side of town will have them. We're gonna go pick those up and get lots of Easter basket stuffers, and hopefully get that done today. I accidentally parked right in front of this construction crew, so hopefully you don't think I'm sitting here staring at them. Okay, I just got home from Target. I have to go get my babies from my mom's house, but I'm gonna quickly share with y'all what I got for their Easter baskets. So I was originally gonna go to Hobby Lobby to get their baskets, but I was right next to Target and I needed to run in Target too, so I just decided to look at their Easter stuff, and they had like identical baskets to the one I saw at Hobby Lobby. So this is perfect, a pink for Annie, a blue for Oliver, and they're a really good size, and I love that these are gonna last us for like forever. So they're like kind of plasticky, they're not real basket material, so very hardy, they'll last a long time. I am going to pack their Easter baskets with you, but before we do that, I am going to just show you what I got for each kid. So for Oliver, we got him some blue Easter grass, a little M&M bunny. I got Annie an M&M bunny too. I got them each a little windmill just for like extra pop of color, and they also really love windmills. I got Annie a little rolling bunny. I thought that would be a really cute little decoration for her room, but it's also going to be so fun for her to play with. I got a pack of the cotton candy Peeps. We loved these last year, and I'm just going to open them up and put a few in each of their baskets. I got them each a little, it's like a poofy, what is it called? Scented glitter fluff, and it's in the shape of a peep. Pink for Annie, yellow for Oliver. I love this age because anything is going to be like, they're going to love whatever they get. I got some little candy chocolate carrots. I'm just going to split those up between the two kids. I got them each a chocolate bunny. And then Annie, of course, got pink Easter grass. Now, each Easter, I like to get my kids a swimsuit and some sandals because just to kind of get us started in the season. It starts getting hot in Arkansas around Easter time, and we've actually already been out in our kiddie pool. So they need some new swimsuits and some new sandals. Oliver especially needed sandals. I got him some of these little rubber Birkenstock type sandals from Target, and they have little dinosaurs all over them. And I love that they have dinosaurs because they're fun for him, but they're also very neutral, so he can wear them with whatever. So I got Oliver those, and then for Annie, if you know, you know, I had to get her some new jellies. These are the clear glitter ones, and she had these when she was a little tiny baby, but we accidentally left them at the beach, and I remember I was so sad. So while they're still in store, I have to grab these every single year for my girl because I love them. They're so cute. They're very nostalgic. I had jellies all grown up. I also got Oliver a pair of some Speedo goggles for the pool. We just have a kiddie pool. My mom has a bigger pool, but Oliver has been really wanting some goggles like the big boys. He's got bigger cousins that have these kind of goggles, so we're gonna try them out and see if he likes them. These are the little swim trunks that I got for Oliver. Very fun, bright coral color. I love that they have like a little pocket on the back. I love the shorter swim trunks on Oliver. The ones that swallow their knees, I'm not like a huge fan of those, but those are like the perfect length. And then this is for Annie. This is the cutest little swimsuit. I'm gonna put it back on the hanger real quick. It's got little bubble sleeves, and it's pink gingham with a tiny little lavender shell on it. How cute is that? It's a two-piece, but the bottoms are like high-waisted, and this comes down where it meets the bottom. So I love that. I think it's so cute. And then I got a pack of some peanut butter eggs. These are a staple. I'm going to put some in their baskets, and then I'm going to eat some of them. And then this is the other chocolate bunny for the other kid. All right, let's see what else we got. I had to get me and Alani. This is like my favorite flavor, the Orange Kiss. I'm going to drink that right now because I need some energy. So good. I have not tried the lime slush flavor yet. I know everybody's saying that's the best, but I can't get my hands on it. Some jelly beans. Oliver loves jelly beans, and so I'm just going to toss these in the bottom of their basket. The only candy that I was not able to find that I really wanted to was the little bubblegum eggs that come in the little egg carton. I got those every Easter growing up, and so I want to get those for my kids. And then as far as their little plushie, I like to do a plushie every year in their basket. This is the cutest little chick. This is going to go in Oliver's basket, and it is super soft. I've never felt a jelly cat. I know those are really popular, but I feel like this is like similar to what a jelly cat would feel like. Very like fluffy, soft kind of jelly. So I love that. And then Annie got a sweet, soft little plush bunny. So soft. Like, I would sleep with this if I was a little girl. She's probably gonna love to sleep with this one. So very special. I love these little plushies from Target. I think they're like 10 to 15 bucks, but very high quality. So let's go ahead and stuff their Easter baskets. Here's a little close-up. This one is Annie's. Oliver's. I think they are going to love them. I'm so excited. It's the next day. Yesterday got away from me like it usually does when I do vlogs, but I got the kids from my mom's house and then my husband got off work and he was like, I really don't want to cook and mess up the kitchen tonight. Let's just get takeout and watch a movie. So that's what we did. We got some Mexican takeout and we watched a movie with the kids and that was really relaxing and fun. But now today I'm trying to finish up this vlog. It's Saturday and Oliver has been dying to go downtown. So today we are taking him downtown. He has romanticized the idea of downtown in his head and he thinks it's just amazing, which it is. I love going downtown. So we are going to go downtown. We're going to eat some lunch. There's a little park down there. We were on our way to meet Will because we were in 2 separate cars this morning and Annie decided to pull both of her pigtails out, and so I had to go in Walmart, buy new rubber bands and a little comb and fix her hair. So that's where we're at right now, but we are about to head downtown and I am going to share dinner with y'all tonight. I really want to share this recipe with y'all. I shared it a super long time ago, but it's a really good, like, high protein, healthy, delicious, like, spring dinner. So anyways, let's head downtown.
Nope.
Okay, we're finally home. We've been running around all day. We went downtown, we ate in the river market. Will and I got barbecue and Oliver and Annie got like a homemade corn dog. It was really good. I tried a bite. I have been completely off of my diet today, but this is kind of like what I was trying to do is, like, in the first week of my diet, try to see what my habits are. And most of my habits come from like being with my family, being on the go, and grabbing whatever is like easy. So I've got to keep that in mind, and I'm logging everything. I'm logging everything. All of my food, all of the calories, protein, added sugar, all of that. So it's really interesting to look back on it. Tonight we are having chicken caprese. This is one of my favorite recipes. It's kind of healthy. So I'm looking forward to eating this tonight. We ate a very, very heavy lunch. So I'm excited to have like a salad, some chicken caprese. Will's out there grilling and he's gonna grill our chicken breasts, and then I am making up like the toppings, the salad, and then I'm also going to roast some yellow potatoes. We're having chicken caprese, baby yellow potatoes, and a salad. And then also all of these cupcakes. We bought a cupcake mix at Walmart. It's like an Easter cupcake mix. And so the kids made cupcakes as soon as we got home. Oliver could not wait. I also found this really fun French bread at Kroger. It's very long. Oliver was playing with it in the car, so it's kind of lopsided. But I was thinking this would be fun to do sandwiches on, or just have like at dinner with some butter. Mostly for the kids. I'm going to give myself a little slice tonight since I've already been cheating all day. And then we're going to get back on our diet game tomorrow. But I will say, I'm talking to a dietitian and she's been really helpful. And she gave me like a strategy for keeping my like plates in order so that I don't like overdo it on calories or underdo it on protein. So I'll share that in just a second. Look at this plate of meat that Will just brought in off the grill. We've got chicken breast. He also did some sausage. It looks so good. Chicken caprese is ready, the potatoes are ready. This is how my dietitian taught me to do it. She said half of your plate should be vegetables. So I picked this up at Kroger. It's the aged cheddar and truffle salad kit. I'm gonna put this together and do half of my plate as a salad. And then she said 2/3 of the other half of your plate should be protein. So we've got our protein. Now tonight, today all day I've been kind of off of my diet. but I'm kind of learning how to do this still. I did add some mozzarella, cherry tomatoes, and basil, along with some balsamic, because we're doing chicken caprese. We've got our potatoes. I'm just gonna eat a few. I probably won't even eat all of those. And then I'm gonna add salad for the other half, so let's get this salad fixed up. This Kroger truffle salad is so good. This looks so delicious. We have chicken caprese, we have salad, a few roasted potatoes, and a little tiny piece of that French bread because I had to try it. I am so excited to eat dinner.